Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It's about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, align them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market. Yes, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So welcome back again in another awesome free strategy. This is called Boom and Crash moving average strategy. Last time I give you MACD strategy, then somebody asked me to help you guys with a boom and crash strategy. So with that, I was able to create a very nice boom and crash 50 exponential moving average strategy. So let's dive into it now. So before I go, I have gotten a confirmation here, and that will trigger me to enter a trade right now. I'm going to take a trade right now. For the low zoom level, you can use the last zoom level. So I'm going to place some trade now. Crash 1000. Yes, I'm going to sell. I sell at this area because I've gotten a confirmation. What are my confirmations? Let me show you my confirmations. My confirmations are: one, you see this blue moving average, which is the 50 exponential moving average. If you look at this Ichimoku, this Tim Johnson and Kim Johnson have crossed below this blue. As anytime they cross something like here, you might enter here, but the market spike up here. But still, even if you enter after this cross, even the market go against you, but now you should come back to where you are. So we are anticipating the reason why the market not break above this high is probably because of this crossover. So you see, that's the confirmation. And the second confirmation, look at it. Look at this Ichimoku inside this average to range. You see the face of the Ichimoku have changed from facing up toward to facing downward. So anytime you have some kind of confirmations like this, you can just be able to take your trade. So I'll allow this trade to run, and probably by looking at 1 hour, you see we're at a resistance zone level. So possible sell signal at this area, and that was the main reason I take this sell. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So now let me dive into. Let me give you the settings first. So let me give you the settings first, but I can be able to move on. So let me give you the settings. So on the main window, we have only two indicators. We have the moving average and we have the Ichimoku. And on the second one, window indicator 1, we also have two moving average as well. We have the average to range and we have the Ichimoku as well. So let me give you the settings for the first window indicator. On the moving average, we have the period 50. As I told you, is period 50 method exponential shifted to apply to weighted close HLCC/4 no level style blue. So we are good to go. Then the next one is our Ichimoku. So let's check the settings for the Ichimoku. See, Ichimoku Tinkun scene 9, Kinjin scene 26, sequence per beat 52. Then Tinkun scene red, Kinjin scene gold. So that's how we can be able to tap out the figures. So come back here. Then window indicator 1, we have the average to range and we have the Ichimoku. The average to range is used to measure the volatility in the market. So we only use it to identify when the market is changing from a low volatility to a high volatility, or from a high volatility to a low volatility. So generally, when the price of Ichimoku moves, when the price of average true range move from a low volatility to a high volatility, it implies momentum and change in price. So I think that's that about that. Then the next one is Ichimoku. So the same Ichimoku you put there is the same Ichimoku you are going to put here as well. Chinkonsin 9, Kinjinsin 26, Sikospan B52, Chinkonsin red, Kinjinsin yellow. All other ones make their background color. So if your background color is white, make them white. If your background color is dark, let them dark. If your background color is ash, let them ash. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So I think I'm done giving you the settings. Let me give you the conditions, though I've given you the conditions. So first condition is for you to get this Ichimoku has crossed below the moving average to show a sign of strength and change in momentum for a short-term trades. And also this Ichimoku inside the moving average, whenever they cross down here and the confirmation of that cross implies here, then is the second confirmation. You are just good to go. You can take your trade. For crash indices, you can scalp like 50 pips, 100 pips. That's for crash 1000 and boom 1000. If you are catching this fire, you can go for 50 pips, 100 pips. If you are catching candles 20 pips, 30 pip highs. So that's that about that. But if you are trading orders with it, make sure you are following your own trading plan, money management system. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you now. See you in my next. And don't forget, backdate this strategy at least for a very good period of time before you can be able to go live with it. Because I go live with it does not mean I'm giving you something I backtest. You look at it here, see confirmation here. So let's make some backtests as well. For buy, see confirmations, here confirmation, and this thing is static. Another one. The same thing applies to here, confirmation. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you now. See you.